one colour, but now of course they've announced this RGB version. It uses the same keys, they're Cherry MX, really very nice indeed. Certainly very nice to type on. This is my daily keyboard now. I have not used the keyboard I prefer to this, but now of course it's completely programmable with 16 million different colours. That is a lot of colour. Now you might not see the point of this unless you're a gamer. I mean, gamers obviously will want to be able to differentiate their keys from one another, but also even I use it for typing. I choose to have the QWERTY keys lit up and everything else dark, so if I'm in a subdued lighting environment I can just see where I'm typing without having to sort of turn lights on or whatever. But having colour programmable would actually be quite good for video editing, for example, and other things. So I'm excited about this. Don't know how much it's going to cost, but it'll be around half 2 of this year.